In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to change speed in DaVinci Resolve. So first of all, we need to select our clip, then right click on it. Now click on retime controls and then it will highlight your clip like this. Now if you drag this handle to the right side of your screen, then your clip will be slowed down. And now if I drag this handle to the left of my screen, then the clip will fast forward, and now you can see the clip has been fast forwarded. In case you want to only change speed of a particular part, then for that firstly we need to select our clip, then right click on it. Now click on retime controls. Now take your playhead at the start of the part from where you want to change your speed, and then click on this drop down arrow which will be in black color next to 100%. Once we click on it, now click on add speed point and then it will add a speed point here. Now take your playhead at the point from where you want to stop changing your speed, and then again click on this drop down arrow next to 100% and click on add speed point. And now you can see this portion has been selected and new 100% has been added here. So we need to click on this drop down arrow next to it, then click on change speed, and now you can select the value. If you want to decrease your speed, then reduce it to 50%, 25% or 10%. In case I want to increase it, then I just need to select 200% here, and now you can see this portion has been speed up. If I preview my clip, you can see this portion has been speed up here. Similarly, you can click on this drop down arrow, click on change speed, and now if I select 50% this time, and this portion will slow down, you can see it here. So this is the complete process. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.